Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked account on the application of Zoom. You will click on settings. In this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Zoom and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.